Welcome to the tutorial video on using the Logistics Prices module. Today, we'll learn how to create data in the system and explore some related screens and features. First, open your browser and go to the software's website at https://blogistics.cloud. Enter your provided username and password, then click Sign In to log in. Once you're in, access the list of modules by clicking the company logo at the top left corner. Look for Logistics Prices. By default, the system will display the dashboard. If you don't see it, click the menu button in the top right corner and select Dashboard from the list. On the dashboard screen, you will see a list of buttons used to input data into the system for different types of transportation. For example, to input FCL import pricing, select Sea Freight, then click FCL Import. The system will redirect you to the FCL Import Data Input screen, which consists of two parts: the General Information form, containing default information applied to all pricing data below, and the Data Table, which serves as a template for either manual entry or uploading from an Excel file. Let's start with uploading data from an existing Excel file. First, click the Template button on the toolbar below to download the upload template. This is the default template, and you can delete any unnecessary columns. Update the data in the Excel file accordingly. Back on the system screen, click Upload on the toolbar, then select your Excel file to proceed with the upload. The system will pull data from the file into the software, allowing you to review and edit as needed. Once you're done, click Save Changes to save the data into the system. After saving successfully, the software will ask if you'd like to clear the screen. Click OK to empty the screen. In addition, you can enter data directly from the system screen as follows. In the General Information form, you can input details like agent, loading port, discharging port, notes, and so on. After that, click the Add button on the toolbar, and the system will add a new row to the pricing table. The information you just entered in the General Information form will automatically fill in the new row for you. Also, at the start of each row, there are functions to delete or copy, which you can explore on your own. Next, update the complete pricing information. Click Save Changes to save your updates. To review the data you just entered, go back to the dashboard. Here, on the Pending Request screen, you can search for your account name along with the type and quantity of the prices you just entered. Alternatively, you can click the My Pricing List button in the top right corner of the screen and select the corresponding type of pricing. This completes the data entry process into the system. Next, we'll go over a few other screens and functions. In the Application menu, you will see a list of price templates categorized by transportation type. For example, the FCL Import screen. This is a list of current valid FCL import prices. On the list screen, there is a quick filter feature that allows you to search for any data that appears on the screen quickly. For example, you can search by port information, carrier information, or ETD information. On the right side of the screen is the detailed search bar. Click the magnifying glass icon to display search criteria. Follow the demo instructions for steps and operations. Note, Verify is a criterion describing the status of the data. Data entered into the system must be approved by the pricing manager. Waiting is the initial status when data is first entered into the system. Verify is the status after it has been approved. Max return is the number of results returned from the search. To update existing data in the system, click the Editor button on the screen, edit the data, then click Save Changes to save the updates. The new button on the toolbar allows you to switch to the data entry screen, which is the same screen where you previously input the data. To delete data in the system, on the Pricing List screen, select the row you want to delete, then click the Delete button on the toolbar to proceed with the deletion. That concludes the tutorial on data entry and functions within the Logistics Prices module. Please review this guide multiple times and practice with the provided template.